Hello everyone, I'm the project manager of the IT recruitment process. Before starting the project kickoff meeting, I would like to give an overview about the organization and as well as the project. I would like to start with the uh, organization overview. Coming to the company organization, Alliance IT Solutions is a fast-growing information technology company based in the Silicon Valley. We offer IT infrastructure and operation management services, application hosting, security assessment, systems integration, and IT consulting. Apart from this, the core service application of Alliance IT Solutions INC is business intelligence. Business intelligence service offerings include data analytics and reporting, business performance management, data warehousing, and data mining. We also specialize in services including data modeling and integration, data development and delivery. We're also experts in utilizing ETL tools to extract data from the disparate sources so that our customers can work with meaningful data and business intelligence to plan our strategies. We also handle the entire data lifecycle for interpreting data to enabling the data mart. The data processing includes defining the data source, updating mapping specifications with metadata, updating monitoring and responsibility processes on source data changes, ensuring accurate and efficient ETL process in production, performance tuning, error handling, and independent scheduling. This is what Alliance IT Solutions is all about. Um, Now, I would like to give a brief overview on the IT recruitment process. First of all, what is an IT recruitment process? The IT recruitment process is nothing but the end goal of a selection process to able to present a limited number of job applicants to the superiors of the future employee in order to ease their recruitment decision. To do so, an assessment form may be used in order to reduce the number of remaining candidates at each step of the selection process by successfully eliminating the applications that do not meet the job requirements. Moreover, it allows keeping a global vision of the recruitment process and allows mitigating the subjective aspects of the final recruitment decision. The major tools which are required in this position in this IT recruitment process is a candidate's CV and a cover letter, the selection interviews, and as well as the professional tests and as assessment centers. Now coming to the practice, this consists coming to the practice, the selection grid may be used at every step of the selection process. Like the first one is the identifying the job success criteria. This consists based on analysis of the open position in determining which criteria will be decisive in order to achieve professional success in this position. Such criteria may refer to professional skills, personal skills, and personal data. Also, we need to note that the job success criteria can also be determined in close collaboration with the future employees' direct superiors. This has become a common practice as the involvement of the management and recruitment process has grown significantly over the years. And next comes the setting of the evaluation form. Once all the critical job requirements have been identified, the job candidate's application documents may be assessed using a global evaluation form. Only the job applications that meet all these objective criteria will be retained for the next steps of the selection process. So once we are done with the setting up the evaluation form, we'll be going to the first selection. In this first selection, a maximum of 10 candidates would be invited to an interview where they would be introducing the job applications and also answering some of the recruiters' questions. This first interview will allow validating the data contained in the candidate CVs. It will also allow getting a first impression of the candidates, in particular regarding their vision, for the targeted position. So once the first selection is done, we'll be going to the second selections where 3 to 4 candidates would be selected based on their work experience and skills most relevant to the open position. The observations made in the previous phase may now be validated with the help of a professional test. These diverse assignment approaches will provide indications on criteria such as the applicant's management skills, their ability to work in a team, etc. It can also prove interesting for top managers at least to ask the candidates to outline the strategy they will be enforcing if they get the job. Based on all this data, a training or a development plan may be designed for each job candidate. All the information gathered by the recruiters must then be handed over to the superiors of the future employee so that they may take the final decision. And the last stage of this position is the final recruitment decision. Final recruitment decision is made by the new employer's hierarchy using the individual evaluation form. At this point, the quality of each job application may be quantified by applying weighings to the different selection criteria. This approach may ease the recruitment decision. So this is how the recruitment process will be done, and as you are seeing on the screen, the first stage is the applications which are being received, and then the telephonic rounds, and as well as once they are through with the telephonic round, the face-to-face interviews will be conducted. And once the face-to-face interviews are conducted, an interview with the client would be scheduled, and if they are through with the interviews with the client, the employment related checks would be done. And now coming to the key stakeholders. Uh, the key stakeholders for this of our organization are Mr. Sam Herigala, the Chief Executive Officer. He has been instrumental in the initiation of the solutions, and he is having extensive knowledge of organizational processes and would be keen to understand and how the provided services will affect the company as a whole. And then coming to the Chief Technology Officer, Mr. Sumit Varwal. He has been a chief architect for many technical initiatives within the company, has extensive experience in implementation of multiple projects which prove to be a great help for the organization. Though his knowledge is limited about the recruitment process, he can easily understand and help plan the technical implementation and can provide great insights. Then we'll be talking about the Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Randeep Reddy. He has been instrumental in organizing the required funds and expenses following multiple implementations of various programs across the organization. He has extensive knowledge of analyzing the necessity of a service and the financial implications therein. Knowledge of recruiting process is limited, but would be able to understand once the project is explained. And then coming to the Senior Manager, Human Resources, Ms. Farnalata, possibly the most knowledgeable for the services being planned. She has extensive knowledge of all the intricacies of recruitment policies, has immense knowledge on how all the human resource department processes are tied, and can provide insights during the total development for IT recruitment services. And then I'm the project manager for this position, and I have extensive experience managing multiple projects with varied complexities. I've been instrumental for many successful implementations across the organization. A limited knowledge of recruiting process, but I can be an ideal candidate for managing the project when the project is kicked off. Thank you.